What up? VSquad, what's good, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I am showing you guys how to make your very own makeup brush. So this is a DIY. So before we go ahead and get into this video, this is very short, simple, and sweet. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just go ahead and tap on it. Yeah, hit that subscribe button right now. But I want to build this VSquad family. I want it to be real big. Let's get it. Let's get it. So go ahead and subscribe. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, y'all. So I know y'all can see the white wall and everything. It was very hard for me to record this video so y'all can see this table and not have that in the way. So I figure I definitely want to show y'all how to do this. So I feel like y'all should be okay with a little white background, a little white wall. So basically we are doing a DIY makeup brush cleaner. So this is the one that I made probably like 2 years ago. It's on an old CD case top. And I used my glue gun. And this is her. As y'all can see, she's been used. She got that tint of foundation on her. It's clean, but after you use it for some time, it'll like have that little tint. But this is what I use to like clean my makeup brushes all the time. I didn't pay anything for it. Obviously, I keep a glue gun. And I keep glue sticks. I'm running low, so I'm going to get some more. But today, I know I needed a bigger one because I have a really big brush that I like do my finishing powder with. And I don't know, I just feel like I needed a bigger one. So I figured it would be a great thing to go ahead and just make a video and show you guys how to make them. But I'm making a huge one, so you can use whatever type of plastic you want. Like anything that you don't mind getting wet or that can get wet and still be useful to you. So I want it like clear and I wanted a big one. So I thought, let's go get a big plastic clipboard. So I went to Dollar General and got this clipboard. I want to say this was $2. I believe this was $2. Okay. How the heck do we get this off of here? Okay. Obviously, I know clean that up. So, yeah. So, I just went to Dollar General and I went and got a big boy. Got her a big boy here. So, I could go ahead and make this video. So, this was stupid. Whoever put the plastic on this doggone thing. It's like they put the plastic under the metal part, which is dumb because, I don't know. But you get what you pay for. I got this from the dollar store, so how could I be too mad at that? Right? I don't really know. Oh, I guess if I want to hang this up, little things there. That's good to know. So I just want to take this plastic off, y'all. As much as it I can get off. Y'all, excuse my thumbnail. I need to do myself a feel. I do my own nails, and Shorty is about due to get a feel. But if you guys want to see a video of me doing a feel of my nails, my own, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Let me know if you want to see something like that for me. I think it'd be really cool, but I don't know if y'all want to see that. So let me know. Do you want to see me do my nails or not? But I do my own nails. It's cheaper, and I get to do what I want on there without somebody telling me that I need to pay them $100. Works for me. So basically, what we're going to do is just follow this pattern, but just have more of them. And I chose to put my cleaner on the back side of the clipboard. That way when I'm cleaning, I can hold with this, this could be like something that I hold. So I chose to do that. So like when I'm cleaning my brushes, boom, clean, boom. So this is what we're going to do. So here we go. My glue gun is already plugged up. She's hot and she's ready. As y'all can see, she is leaking. And we are just going to go ahead and have some fun here. So basically, you just follow your pattern. I don't know where I
got this pattern first. I know a long time ago, I watched a video on someone making theirs. It was over 2 years ago, so I can't really give credit. I don't really know. But I just followed the pattern that they did. I do know the squiggly lines that they said make sure you have those. But honestly, as long as you have like ridges, a good amount of ridges, you'll clean your brush perfectly fine. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I was talking during this part, but I was just randomly talking about make sure you wear something that you don't, care about because right there it's like stringies of plastic, just kind of all over the place if you moving too fast or, you know, not as neat, I guess. So just make sure you're wearing something that you truly don't care about. That shirt I got on, I bought it from AliExpress. Oh, so many years ago. So obviously I don't care about it. I don't wear it out or anything like that. The neck lining was super weird when I bought it, so I never was able to truly wear it anywhere except for like lounging around the house. But yeah, this is the makeup brush cleaner, and as you guys can see, I whipped her together extremely fast. So it takes nothing. It costs nothing really, especially if you already do a ton of crafts. Like me, I always have glue sticks on hand. I got my glue gun from a long time ago. I made some boots. I do a lot of DIYs, so let me know in the comments if you want to see some more. I will be doing some more regardless.
And that's it. So this is the finished product, you guys. I'm gonna let it dry a little more, but basically I just made a bigger one of these. I've been using this for like 2 years, but I'm like, it's just really small. So I wanted to go ahead and do a big one. So now I have a big one. I actually have something to hold it because that did bother me. Like when this gets wet and you're like going and going, it's just hard to like hold, being that it was just so small. I don't know. I know like when you go buy some, they kind of have the handles on it or whatever. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and make me another one. So I made this here, and it's not dry yet. It's not dry yet, but this is her. So we got the squigglies for your brush, just because for these, I want to say for the dots, you like go this way, and then for the squigglies, you go on the opposite way. So what I've watched on YouTube, I don't remember whose video, but this is it. I'm gonna let it dry. I don't know if I'm gonna like show you guys a video of cleaning the brushes. I feel like that's very self-explanatory. The only thing I can say for me though that I do that kind of helped me out is most people put the soap on the brush and then do that. When I was using this one, I would just squirt soap all on this and then clean the brush, rinse, clean the brush, rinse, clean the brush, rinse, brush clean. Okay, grab the next one, clean the brush. And if my soap looked dirty, like really dirty, like brown, like super brown, from the makeup, of course, I would just rinse this off real quick, put a little more soap on here, and go. So I feel like I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Like once it's all the way dry, like it's still sticky right now, so. And then if y'all can see like those ones that were like really high up to where you was like, in your head, you probably was like, that's a huge bow. It kind of levels itself out to where everything is kind of flat. And then you just got a nice size bow. But I think I'm still going to do the same thing with this one. Is just put soap on it and then just go. And then rinse my brush, come back, rinse my brush, come back, rinse my brush. Is it clean? Rinse it again. And then go on. But I like how, like, I can move with this one. Like, so let me quit. But that's pretty much it. I don't really feel the need to like show you guys how to clean your brushes with it, because it's pretty much self-explanatory. However, if you just really want to see a video or you need some type of visual explanation of me using this that I just made, please leave it in the comments. Hey, make a video of you clean your brushes with the new cleaner, and I will go ahead and make a video. I just feel like I just wanted to show you guys something simple. It's easy. This is gonna last me for a very, very, very long time. It's not small enough for me to lose it. I just know the ones that you can buy. They got some cheap ones out there with the little bitty bristles. like $6, seven. The good ones are like $10, $15 or whatever. So I just really like making stuff on my own, and when I seen that I can make one, it was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make one. So all you need is the clipboard, or if you want a smaller one, go your old CD collection and pop off a top. Get you some glue gun. You can get a glue gun nowadays from the dollar store for like $2, and the glue sticks are $1. I got this from Michael, so I'm pretty sure it's a little more. I actually got this from it's like a thrift store, a paint shop downtown. They have like all kind of crafts. It's like a craft store. But I got this down there. I want to say it was like $2, but you probably not gonna find one this size $2. But you could. But I mean, everything was cheap here. So 2, 4, 5, $5, and I have a huge one, not a small one. I have a huge one for about $5. Now I can add some additional stuff in here, but you don't really need to fill it up. You just need those things that are going to clean your brush when you are rubbing against. So I feel like this is more than enough. The reason why these got like so close is because obviously it's a small thing, but I'm really excited to use my new one. But I just wanted to come and show you guys that. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys make your own. If you do make your own, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Sorry, it's dust. I don't know if that was fly or a piece of dust flying past. But if you did, if you do make one, let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. Did it get your brushes really clean? I know mine are really clean when I use this one. So I can't really wait to see what this one do. But I definitely want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. And if you did like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up. All right, and until next video, until next time, I love you guys so much. Peace out, VSquad.